So hey guys, my name is Vansh and you are watching Vansh the All-Rounder channel. So guys, today I am back with another video. Today guys, I am gonna be making Dragoon MS Beyblade, Dragoon Metal Storm Beyblade. So guys, to make Dragoon Metal Storm Beyblade, it is a plastic gel Beyblade. It is not a burst Beyblade, so it has a different type of system. So we need to follow that system to make it. So guys, first we need 4 cardboard pieces like this. As you can see, I have drawn this layer. You can print this too. It looks like this. So we have 4 cardboard pieces like this right here. So we need to stick all these pieces together. So okay guys, after sticking all the cardboard pieces, it will look like this. So guys, now what we need to do is, now we need to make our weight disc. So okay guys, to make the weight disc we need 4 cardboard pieces just like this. We have 4 cardboard pieces like this here, and we need to stick all of them together. So okay guys, after sticking all the pieces, our weight disc will look like this. So guys, after making this part, now we need to make our performance stick. So guys, to make the performance stick, I have made 2 holes in this paper roll, as you can see, one here and one here, and inserted two sticks like this, as you can see. I will tell you later why I have inserted these sticks. And next step you need to do is, guys, you need to take this flat cardboard like this, and you need to insert it right here, just like this, under this stick. And then you need to take this cone part and insert it like this. And now guys, you need to stick both of these in place, just like this. Just like this. Let me show you. Now guys, our performance tip is also ready. So guys, now let's do the next part. Now guys, what we need to do is, now cut out a piece of circle just like this, and cut the center a rectangular shape just like this. And you need to take a layer and we need to stick it where these 2 points are, in that way, just like this. You need to stick it like this. It looks like something like this. So let me show you. So okay guys, now what we need to do is make a face bolt of Dragoon just like this. This is the face bolt which we can place right here in the middle of the layer, like this, as you can see. And we need to make a little burst function system like this. It's not a burst bay, but still make a burst function system, and we need to stick it right below our face bolt just like this. So okay guys, now our Beyblade is finally complete. Dragoon Metal Storm. So guys, now let's assemble it. First guys, we need to take our performance tip and put it right here. Just like this. And then we need to take our base and put it right here. And then we need to take our core and put it and twist it a little bit to lock it. And guys, as you can see, our Beyblade is now complete. Looks very cool, as you can see. So guys, now let's do a test spin with our Beyblade. So guys, I have added some details in my Dragoon too. As you can see, there these 4 little pieces of cardboard. They are in the real one too, so I added it so it looks just like the real one. And on the weight disc, I also added this white paper strip, so it looks a little more cleaner. So now guys, let's do the test spin with our Dragoon Metal Storm Beyblade. Guys, we can spin it with our Metal Fight Bay launcher. You can see it fits just like this. Here, as you can see, it fits really perfectly. So okay guys, now let's do the test spin. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! As you can see, it spins very perfectly, guys. As guys, it is an attack type Beyblade, so it doesn't have that much stamina. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot! So guys, that's it for this video. So guys, if you like this Beyblade, then like this video, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye bye.